what's up, how you doing? So I was editing this video and I realized I had not done an intro, so here I am introducing the vlog. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari and welcome to today's video. Yeah, so the first part of this vlog, you'll see me shop for a ring light. Actually the ring light that I'm using right now, because it's currently 8 p.m. Alright guys, so I just got home and I want to show you very quickly what I got. So I got an 18-inch ring light. It also comes with a tripod. So this is the tripod. So I'm gonna open everything with you. This is the tripod. It's a 2-meter long tripod. And now let's open the ring light. Okay, so the ring light comes with a bag as well. And this is it. So this is the ring light. It's an 18-inch ring light. Comes with 3 phone holders. You can't like really see them, but yeah, it comes with 3 phone holders. It also comes with an USB port, so you can charge your phone if you want. What else? Okay, let's see what this bag has. Oh yeah, it comes with a charger as well. I had to buy an adapter, so this is the adapter, and then these are the 3 phone holders. That is if you want to use 3 phones at the same time. It also comes with a remote. This is the remote. Yeah, so this is how my video looks like with natural lighting. So I'll connect it and see how it looks sitting on the same place. Wow, this is 100% better than natural lighting. Now, I don't regret spending 7,500 shillings on this ring light because it's worth it. It's worth it. Wow. So I'm gonna try and increase the light and see how far I can get. don't like this. This makes me look white. That's better. Wow. Hi guys, what's up? How you doing? So today is the next day. I just got home from the office. Today is Saturday, so I need to do general cleaning. I need to do laundry, which I hate. If there's something I hate in this world, is to do laundry, you guys. And I think it's just time for me to get a washing machine because I just can't. This life is not for me. Yeah, I also need to wash my carpet. I need to dust off the couch. I need to wash utensils. I need to wash my wig, the other wig that I normally wear. Yeah, and then later on I'll be going to Karen's place. I'll also be spending the night there because tomorrow it's her birthday. So we are doing this picnic thing with the girls. So I need to cook, or rather we need to cook together. So we'll be cooking. Yeah, so maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow, or I'll see you guys at Karen's place. I don't know. We'll see. We'll just have to wait and see. Alright guys, so it's currently 6 p.m. I'm almost done, with all the chores. I'm only left to the carpet.
The next day.
So I'm at Karen's place. I spent the night here yesterday, and now we are getting everything ready for the picnic with the girls later in the day. Yeah, so we are cooking chicken, KFC style, and chicken stew with rice. Then we have snacks and drinks. Yeah, so let me finish cooking, then get dressed, do my makeup. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later.